Alright guys, this is the mouse, the HyperX. I got it with the keyboard. It looks nice. It's also with lights, colorful. It's RGB, and it's a cool mouse. It's lightweight and it's nice. Alright, so we're gonna open this bad boy and see. So this is the details of it right here. If you guys want to pause and see, this is all the details of the mouse. Alright, so let's open it now. Alright, let's open it. Wow. Okay, the focusing here. This is how it looks like, the mouse. Looks nice. It's gonna be lines when you plug it into the PC. This is the cable. Neat. Alright. Let's see. Can I open this bad boy? Just like that. So lift this thing up. Okay. Okay, so I have to now get the mouse out. There we go. Alright, so this is how it looks like. It looks nice. So it gives you a button here and the scroll wheel, and 2 buttons here to play games. And this is the back. The details looks nice. Beautiful mouse. HyperX. Alright. And here's the books inside, the manual to set it up. This is it right here. So it shows you how to set it up and stuff, what to do and stuff like that. Alright, thank you guys. Peace.